All right, well, it's Saturday, February the 26th, 2022, and it's Saturday, and I was a day late on the aerosol forecast I had pinned on the comments in the last video. I had forecasted for the spraying yesterday all day, but that never happened because the high pressure that appeared to be deflating, there was installed high pressure for several days, blocking all the weather offshore. Well, it took a little longer for that to all move out of the way. I call that installed high pressure because that's exactly what it is. We've got weather controllers that are actually terrorists that are preventing the rain here in this state. Now, there's a jet there that's not leaving a trail. You can probably see that. We've got other jets over here that are just left a fresh trail there about 10 minutes ago. Anyhow, you can see here the aerosols were a day late, but here they are. And look at all that moisture offshore that's moving in. We should be having much cooler temperatures and maybe some rain. But with this activity going on here in the atmosphere, that's not going to happen. We've had 5/16 of an inch of rain the entire month of February, which is supposedly the wettest month of the year here in Southern California. And it looks like the spigot will be off for the rest of the year. That's what it's looking like. So there's a jet right there, just began leaving a trail right there. So we've got one jet right there, not leaving a trail. See it? Almost dead center. And then over here, we've got a guy that just turned on the spigot. So Jody Kodesh's contrail theory isn't worth what I said before, not worth dog crap. There it is. You got one jet not leaving a trail, and this guy right here leaving a trail. How does that work out? The guy in the picture right now is up over 30,000 feet where the humidity's less than 3%, but yet we're seeing what they call a condensation trail, which is just total lies. These new jet engines don't leave water vapor trails. Not only that, there's no humidity up there to condense anyhow, and all you have is engine exhaust. That doesn't contain any water vapor. So there it is, one guy flying along with no trail, and here's the other dude right here. Okay, that's it for now. We'll do another update this afternoon or this evening with showing the satellite maps. Okay, that's it.